Okay, so for this one, guys, we kind of basically went ahead and multiplied the first by -1 to get a -5m plus p equals a -7. Now we added these two up to give us this, divided by 2, got m to be this. M plugged it into the first one because they're smaller numbers slash less negatives, and got p to be 3. This one over here, Valeria says, boom. Valeria says y to be 6, x to be 1. Let's see this. Since these are opposite, I'm going to use the elimination method. These cancel out, and I'm left with 7y is equal to 42. Divided by 7, divided by 7, we're going to have y is equal to 6. Check. Juliana, good job too. Okay, so now I'm going to get that one. Shucks. Which one do I plug it into? First one or second one? Which one do y'all think? Juliana, which one did you plug it into? The first one or the second one? Valeria, which one did you plug it into? First or second? Why the first? Curious. I like that idea too. So I'll plug that into the first ones, and I'll do that right here. We're going to go with 8x plus 5y is equal to 38. We're going to do this part right here. We're going to go with 8x plus 5 times 6 is equal to 38. 8x plus 30 is equal to 38. Divide by, oh my bad, minus 30 minus 30. 8x is equal to 8 slash x is equal to 1. Boom. I like it. So my coordinate will be 1, 6. Pretty cool? What do y'all think? Más o menos? Okay, so we're going to try, let's try another easy cheesy one. Okay, let's try these real quick. Ademari's in the house. Okay, try 7, guys. Try 7. We'll see what happens there. Okay, here we go. What's my first move? Anybody know what to do? First move? By -1. Which one, the first or second? Yeah, it doesn't matter, right? So which one did you do? Oh, great. Juliana, what did you do? Adamari, Isaac, Samantha, what do y'all think? I guess I'll multiply this one by negative. I'll tell you why. Because this will give me a positive here. And when I add them up, it'll give me more positives, okay? So this becomes a -7. F. This becomes a positive 2g equals a positive 31. Now I'm going to bring down that first one right here, so I can go ahead and add them together. 7f plus 3g is equal to a -6. Add them up. It's called elimination method. Addition method cancels out here. Gives me 5g is equal to 25. Divide by 5, divide by 5, and then we'll go with g is equal to 5. What do y'all think, guys? Yes? No? Maybe so? Are they cool? Then which one do I use to plug it into? Juliana, help me out, sister. Plug it in the first one or the second one? I like that too. I'll do the first one. So we're going to have 7f plus 3g is equal to negative 6. I'm going to get g right there, plug it into 5. So I'm going to go 7f plus 3 times 5 is equal to negative 6. 7f plus 15 is equal to negative 6. You're good. You're good. Minus 15. Minus 15. Cancel here. 7f is equal to negative 21. Divided by 7 divided by 7. F is equal to negative 3. So FG, F goes first with a negative 3. 5. Okay, to the next one, guys. The next one is going to be really hard. Okay, let's do it to it. Valeria, how about this? Okay, what's the way? Tell me, which one, where, how, why? Okay, awesome. And then? Okay, so it basically gives you everything that's opposite. So give me the opposite one of these. Give me the opposite one of these. Negative 11, oops, negative 11. There we go. Now we're going to bring that one right here. So those are the original two. I'm going to rewrite the first one. I'm rewriting the second one to bring it down so I can work with it. Oh my gosh, negative here. And then there it is. That's it. Add these two up. This gives me 4a. These cancel out. And that equals to 16. Cool? Okay, guys, you good? Next one, what do I do? I like that. So we're going to bring that down here and bring that in here. 2a minus 3b. I think it's 1, no? All right, negative 1. Which part? Where? Where? I think it's right now. You good? You good? Okay, let's try a hard one. Now we're going to put words, guys. Put words to this madness and see what happens. Okay, let's do it. Ready? Do you have the equation? Let's go with equation 1. What's the equation 1, guys? Okay, I'll give you the first one. It's right here. The sum of two numbers is 24. I'll tell you this much. Is that's equal to 24. What does this mean over here? Come on, come on. X plus, no, X plus Y, sister. Always remember the equations are X and a Y. Or how about this? X and Y. Or X, Y. You got it? They're basically two, like X, Y, R, S, T, U, A, B, whatever it is. You know, when it comes to that part, you have X and Y. Two numbers, boom, X and Y. Real simple. So you're really supposed to do this. X equals the first number. Y is second number. Okay, cool, cool. Equation 2. Equation 2 now, it's going to be this part over here. Is. You got it? Well, come on, try the next one. Try the next part. What is it right here? Five times the first number, boom, 5x. Check, Valeria. Minus, yes. Yes, it is. That's it. I gotta just add them up. 6x cancels equals 36. Boom. Okay. Now I'm gonna get that first one. And plug in that one. And then x is going to be 12, okay? So 12. Where? No, you're right. You are right. Guys, I was just testing all of y'all. All of y'all failed. All of y'all. All of you failed. Horrible. I just, you see, I always mess around, making sure you're paying attention. You're welcome. You are welcome. Final answer would be 6, 18. Okay, there you are, guys. X is the first number, which is 6, is the first number. Y is the second number, which is 18. Ready? Let's give you a hard one. These are too easy. Honestly, these are too easy. I don't want it to be que number says it's too easy. Beat those Cheetos. Let's do it to it. Oh, those look scary, don't they? I'm looking. Let's see. We'll do these 3. Okay, let's do a hard one. Ready? Let's do 24. 24. Oh, great. No, let's get pumped up. Let's get pumped up. 24. 24. Okay, what do I do? Do you see what's going on here? I'm going to say this, okay? I love what you're doing. She says distribute this, and you'd get a 4x. Don't do what I'm doing right now, but pay attention. That would give me this. This would give me 8y. Okay? Just humor me. What if I were to make this a -1 times a 4? A -1 times a 4. Wouldn't that give me a -4? So what if I multiply the whole thing? Instead of I have 4, I change it to a -4 because I secretly multiplied the -1 out here, right? So in other words, I'm saying let's just multiply the whole thing by a -1, which would give me a -4 right here. Yes? No? Maybe so? Too much? Okay. Okay, we'll do that. And then now let's multiply by a -1. You're ridiculous. Multiply here. -4, right? -8, right? -8. There it is. So that's the first one, okay? The second one, I'll bring it down in a different color. And we'll go with 4x plus 4y is equal to 20. So now these are my two equations right here. Oh, great. I have it all cramped. I don't know why, if I have an electronic paper that narrows out. And now you can add these. You see how these are, I guess, positive and negative? They're what they call 0 pairs. So now I'll do that part. These cancel out. Boom. That gives me -4y. I should do it in green, right? equals 4. Someone divide by -4. -4. Y is equal to a -1. And there she is. Double check everything, guys. This 4x, 4x. 8y. Okay, multiply by -1 now. Yeah, it works good. But boom. Am I right? What did you do? Okay, look. I'm gonna say show me your stuff, but you can't. Or you want to show on your camera, or do you want to just show us on this? I bet you. Oh yes, I bet. Let me see if I. Yeah, because you have the blur picture on. Hey, everybody, help me look at Valeria. See what's going on. Okay, a little lower. A little lower. Little lower. Little lower. Little lower. Little lower. Which one is it? 24? It's not focusing. Okay, don't move. Let it focus, and I'm gonna take a picture of it. Little lower. A little lower. Can y'all see it clear, or is it just me? I think Val writes very blurry. That you're very blurry. We can't even tell what you're writing. Okay. Hey, how about Mike? How about everybody else? Did I do it right, or did I do it wrong? Am I presenting, or you presenting now? So that means 4x. Okay. 8y. Negative. Negative. Now, are you logging into your phone now? Okay. Okay, guys, it looks like tutoring's going for 2 hours. Looks like, is it still pinned or what? Oh. Oh, okay, my bad, my bad. Okay, wait. Don't move it. Don't move it. Wait, I'm gonna take a picture of it. Watch. Did it get unblurry? It was unblurry right now, but it'll go a little higher maybe. Yeah. Echo. I think we can do it there. Okay, cool. I think I can get it from there. Val, are you ready? Okay. So I'm gonna pull yours up. There's yours. That one or that one? We'll go with that one. Can y'all see that one, guys, or no? Let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, there. So did you copy the original question right? We're going to go with that. 4x plus 2y is equal to 8. Cool. 4x plus 4y is equal to 12. Cool. So the first one you distributed, right? And they gave you 4x plus 8y is equal to 8. Okay, I like that. They multiplied the second one now by a negative, so that gives you negative 4x, right? It gives you a negative. Is this a negative on yours? Burned. Because if you put this negative, they cancel out. You see how there's nothing here? Check. If this one goes negative, oh, you're still right. Okay. You put 4y, right? Okay, and then this here should be a negative, which would give you -4. Divide by 4, divide by 4, we should have y to be 1, negative. Let me see what I got. Y is equal to -1. Yeah, look, I got y to be -1. Okay, so let's look at yours. Let's see where you messed up. Okay, so do you see that? So this part you messed up. You kept it at a +4. Oh, no, that's actually right. This part we messed up. You forgot to multiply by a negative, slash giving you a -12. You'd have an 8. I would say plus a -12, giving you a -4. Okay? You put a 20 here, you can see. But it should be -12. Oh my gosh, no, -4. Yeah, -4. Divide by that 4 from here. Divide by 4, yeah, there it works. Last one, negative. Cool? It's, oh, I can't believe you write so blurry. Ridiculous. You know what to tell you. Imagine that. Mm, maybe. So then you get this one here, and you plug it into. So there's a lot of crazy stuff going on here. I'm going to plug it into that one. So then I'd have 4x plus 4y is equal to 12. I'm going to plug that in right there. We'd go with 4x plus 4 times a -1 is equal to 12. 4x minus 4 is equal to 12. Plus 4 plus 4, 4x is equal to 16. Divide by 4, divide by 4, x is equal to 4. Not too bad. Pretty cool. What do y'all think, guys? All right, game on. Let's try another hard one that Valeria will probably get wrong-ish. That's all good. She's trying. That is so bad. Your teacher should not be talking like that. Okay, that was 24, right? It's going to zoom in. We're going to go with 25. Okay, 25, guys. Let's try 25. Okay, anybody want to help me out? Anybody want to do it and present like Valeria did? What do you mean, Valeria? You did it already? Jeez. Can anybody take a picture like my lady did it and see that we did it? Anybody want to do that? Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, let's just do it. Since I see if I distribute here and distribute here, go here, and give you a positive 5y is equal 5. You see that? So that's that second one. This one right here, okay? And then here I have 3x minus 5y is equal to 11. Now there, I'm going to go ahead and add them up. You see that one? I'm going to add these two up, which is the first one and the second one. This is the second one rewritten, and that's the first one over here. So that becomes 8x, cancels out, equals, what is that, 16, divided by 8, divided by 8. X is equal to 2. What do y'all think about that one? But it is right. Good job, Valeria. So next thing, which one do I plug it into, guys? The first one and the second one. Anybody? First one, second one. First one, second one. First one, second one. First one I agree to. So I'm going to bring that here. I'm going to go 3x minus 5y equal 11. This minus, I'm going to throw it in here, right? I'm going to put it where x is equal to 2. 3 times 2 minus 5y is equal to 11. 6 minus 5y is equal to 11. Minus 6, we're going negative 5y is equal to 5. Divided by negative 5, divided by negative 5, we're going to go with y is equal to negative 1. Boom. So like Valeria put 2, negative 1. Sam, it's a, oh, okay, the first one, I get you. Okay, let's do another one, ready? This one's going to make some people cry. Honestly, maybe 2 people cry. Okay, this one won't hurt. This one will cry. Let's do it, ready? Number 26. Let's do it. Okay, try this one. Anybody have the answer yet? Isaac, what's going on, Isaac? Okay, here we go. Ready? Gave y'all enough time. Okay, did y'all freak out on this one? Did anybody cry? Let me see how many people I still have here. I see how many people I have left. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. This one's good because it's not. I think you asked me, no? Was it you? If you can get a fraction or a decimal earlier? Yeah, I think you asked me yesterday, right? Yeah, okay, so you gotta, and I put there, this is not, I think I put, this is not middle school. It's basically any number, anything that you kind of, I guess, been exposed to from, I guess, think about it, elementary to what should have been 8th grade math is valuable or a valid answer. positive, negatives, fractions, decimals, percents, nice things, ugly things, scary things, anything goes here. Now we have two other answers, no solution and infinite mini solutions. So you got to kind of be aware of that. Anything goes. So let's check this one out. Ready? Anybody have the answer yet? Leah, thank you for joining us. Diana, anybody? Isaac? Samantha? No. Hey, you know what? You're right so far. Okay, here we go. So since these are smaller, I'm going to multiply the first one by a -1. That gives me a -4x minus 3y equals a -6. Okay? Now I did that because when I subtract here, I get I'll watch, you'll see. When I subtract from here to here, I'm going to get a positive. That's what I wanted. Now this would give me 3x. I'm just bringing, okay, so I brought this one down to here. Now I'm bringing this one down. So I'm totally demolish that one. This cancels out like I wanted. This gives me a -x equals 1. Divide by a -1, divide by a -1, and then x equal to a -1. So boom, perfect. So far, yes. Okay, Juliana, you have a calculator, you know that, right? I'm not saying rely on it, but try your best to remember what you did from 6th grade, because there was a lot of fractions in 6th grade. And then now, check on the calculator. So I'm going to stick to my guns. You see how this is smaller? I'm going to plug this into that one, okay? I'm going to do it right here. So I'm going to go with 3x plus 3y is equal to 7. And I'm going to put that x right here to be that x to be a -1, right? That gives me a 3 times a -1 plus a 3y is equal to 7. This gives me a -3 plus 3y is equal to 7. Now, again, we're not going to be comfortable with a lot of things that we do. We'll get weird fractions, get more, crazy answers. Hey, but if your math has been true, add when you're supposed to add, subtract when you're supposed to subtract, divide when you divide, positives and negatives, all that stuff, even though you get a weird number, it's right, okay? So now what happens here, I'm going to go ahead and add 3. Cancel out here. I have 3y is equal to 10. I'm going to divide by 3, and I have y is equal to, if you think about this number, that's 3 1/3. So, if you don't know how to get that to this is acceptable already, but this answer is more acceptable. So let me show you how to do it. 10 divided by 3. We haven't seen this in a while, guys. I'm being serious. 0 times for the 1, 3 times for the 10 at 9. And that's the remainder of 1. And still being divided by 3. So 3 1/3. Pretty cool, or what? Cool. I'm waiting for some yes. Amen. Preach it. Okay, guys. If you want anything good and worth it, you've got to work at it. It is a little difficult, but it's freaking awesome if you do it. Don't lie to me. Don't lie to me. It feels cool when you can do it, right? Now, do y'all want to feel cool doing 27? Do you want to feel cooler doing 28? Zach, are you here, big dog? Or you want to be super way mega, super duper mega cool? All right, big dog. I know you watching, you'll learn. Thank you for coming, brother. Don't worry, I'll give you some hundreds when you come to tutoring, okay? Check this one out. Okay, 29, super mega hard. Like, you'll be awesome in my eyes if you do this one. You'll be awesome if you do it in this, like, 28. You'll be, okay if you do 27. Okay, we'll do 27. Way. I'll give you a chance, guys. Let's go. 27. Where is What up, what up? Y'all ready or not? Has anybody started? Good job, Val. Juliana, you? How do you feel, sister? You all right, Sam? Keep it up, sister. Juliana, you got it? Okay. I'm going to give you the answer. See if you got it correct. Don't lie to me. Here we go. Ready? Wait. Okay, well, don't look up. Don't look at the screen. Zach, did you get a big dog? No, did you get that one? Did you actually not? Do I understand it? Do you get it? Did you get that one? You actually physically have to do it. Brother, you need to practice, bro? Come on. Okay, so here we go. Ready? Since if I were to change all of these to the opposites, I would have all positives. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to multiply this one by a negative 1. That gives me a negative 6x plus 7y is equal to 26. Okay, now I'm going to do a little shortcut, save some time. I'm going to add the second one and the first one already. This is the first one already rewritten, right? Cancels out. I have 12y is equal to 36. Divide by 12, divide by 12, y is equal to L to S. Double check, triple check it. Let me see. Yes, I'm checking in the book. Okay, good job. All right, now let's plug that one, this one into, I'm going to go with that one, to that one right there, because positive, smaller numbers, perfect. Everything that, you know, I feel more comfortable with. I'm going to plug y right here. I have 6x plus 5 times 3 is equal to 10. 6x plus 15 is equal to 10. Which alpha you all ready? Shazam. Hey, do y'all want to go ahead and finish up with a word problem? Something that'll scare us? Yeah? Leah says no. Come on, Leah. The rest of y'all, want to try a word problem? Do you want to try a word problem that's more situational, like a rough thing? Or do you want to have, what? You what? You want to end the day? What time is it? Okay. Breaking my heart. Breaking my heart. Not crying. Yeah, guys, we'll call it quits there. All right, be safe. I'm going to show you something tomorrow you're going to love even more. It's called elimination method. Oh, wait, we did that today, right? Okay. Let me put this on YouTube. Beady boom boom. Wait up. Let me finish this video.